Hey y'all, I'm going to be working in my fairy quotes journal again, and this little top pocket, I just cut an index card down and slid it into that pocket. I'm curious to see if anyone else is having a problem with their captions disappearing on their TikTok videos when they're uploading them. I have some videos where the captions are sticking, the words on the screens are sticking, and then I have some where they are not, and I don't know why. I'm not creating my videos any differently than any of my other videos I've ever created, and it just seems like I upload one and I have words and captions, and I upload the next one and I don't. And so if you guys could comment and let me know what you think or suggestions, I'd really appreciate it. So I'm going to be working on this layered journal card for this side pocket that I made. This image is from Tailor Made Journals, and again, the words and phrases are from Adamo prints. This one says "Once Upon a Time." So my plan with this journal card is to put several different frames around the image to bring out the colors of her little fairy dress. So I'm just going to use my pen to make a few marks where I think I want to cut this card down. Okay, I'm happy with this, so I'm going to glue this piece onto this purple sheet. I'm going to glue my little phrase down. Okay, this is what it looks like now. And then I'm going to back this. So I have some double-sided cardstock thickness paper. So I'm going to glue this whole piece to this goldenrod paper and leave a little border around the edge. Okay. I'm happy with this card, and then it'll just slide into this side pocket. Thanks for watching, y'all.